fun to do dinners for the week and vlog them for you so you can see what I feed my family for the week. Griffin is out at a soccer game. He's like an hour away with Brandon. They're gonna be home around 7. So I'm gonna prep some chicken, like fried chicken sandwiches, crispy chicken sandwiches with some yummy sauce and salad. And I'm gonna take you through it with me. Some simple romaine lettuce. We'll do all of them because we can handle it. Watch this. One. Again. Oh. We're going to cut the chicken. Sometimes normally I like to get like the thinner sliced chicken, but we didn't have that. So we're just gonna do this. Trim off extra fat. Then we're gonna cut the chicken to make it a thinner piece so it is thin and crispy and yummy. All right, then we'll do that with the next one too. I'm gonna get a plate and we're gonna do breadcrumbs, flour, and egg wash, and we're gonna season it all. So we're just doing crispy frozen French fries. And we're also, before we do the chicken, we're gonna make the sauce that's gonna go on the sandwich. I'm just gonna do mayo, mustard, barbecue sauce. Did you run out of ketchup, Gus? Oh, ketchup. Mayo, mustard, barbecue. And then a little bit of maple syrup. Let's do little spices. I'm doing the 24 herb spice on this. Sometimes I just do salt and pepper, but I just want to get a little fancy today. We have to make the Caesar salad dressing, so that's what I'll do next. Lemon, Worcestershire sauce, that's how I do. Okay. Yellow mustard. I think I did too much Worcestershire sauce. Okay, this is not gonna be a traditional crouton because we don't have the thick kind of bread, but we're just gonna do regular white bread. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. Okay, here are our croutons. Gus loves croutons, but he's kind of eye rolling at these because they're not the traditional croutons we make because we didn't have the special bread. Here we go. You want your salad? Maybe your team does better when I'm not yelling at them. Here, guys, this chicken's kind of thick. They didn't have a thinner one, so.
Mama man, what mama?
Oh, wow, with the milk? That was night 1 of dinners. Tonight's dinner is going to be like a pre-soccer dinner because they have soccer early and then they're going to be hungry again when they get back. So right now we're just going to do a baguette with mozzarella cheese, tomato. You ready? Oh, ready to pull border? What is this one? Cool. Look, here's your water, love. Toast that. Oh, it's still sealed. When is it good until? 5/16, January, February, March, April, May.
No, it's June 2nd.
Fuck. It smells fine. You know, with the kids, like I know it was last minute too, so don't worry about it.
Tomato, that's it.
Oh, he has a good arm. He does. Pesto or no pesto?
Pesto.
Please. Griffin, here. I'm gonna give you this because I want you to have the bread.
Pesto. Pesto.
How's that bread?
You take a cheese?
No, I prefer tomato.
Here.
Keys,
In the car.
water,
Pesto.
You guys have your waters? Not that one.
Where'd it go?
Griffin, look at me.
Where did the pesto go? Do you know where it went? Did you see it?
Sure, it's fine.
It's delicious. That was dinner, day 2. I just placed a Whole Foods order and tonight we're gonna have fish tacos. I'm gonna do some kind of cabbage slaw on the side. I'm gonna try to make my own homemade tortillas. I did that last week and the boys loved it. So homemade tortillas, fish tacos, season the fish, wonderful, beautiful, yummy, slaw on the side, and it's gonna be delish. What is this?
Taco.
Avocado! Thank you! Bloom, you're the best. All right, so we're gonna make homemade flour tortillas, a stick of butter, a cup of water, 4 cups of flour, and mix it all up, roll it out, and they make amazing tortillas. And then we'll make our fish tacos.
The house is surrounded by asphalt on both sides. You see the this shot.
Wait, so there's no grass, you mean?
Well, there isn't. I think there's like a backyard or something.
Let's mix it, I think.
What's up? Truth, though.
I say leave in like 5 minutes. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. We're gonna take this. Usually we're gonna use an electric one, but I just don't feel like getting it out right now. It'd probably be easier, but you know. Okay, first two. Feel like they need to be thinner. Okay, we're gonna put some, we thawed it out. I don't know what kind it is. I'm thinking like cod or haddock or something. I love this taco seasoning. It's mild, it's from Siete, has great ingredients. Bam. So I'm gonna put the parchment paper right on the pan, I'll show you. And then I'm gonna sear the fish. You could just do it right in the oven. I could do that, but I'm not gonna do that. So while that warms up, there's this salad. I'm gonna do lime juice. Let's just do it right here.
That was a big muffin.
No, I'm making dinner right now.
Still starving and I'll eat your dinner.
Okay.
There's Jack in the
That's not what you said.
Just took mayo and then I added some taco sauce. And I'm just gonna mix that up and we can put that on top. I'm gonna add cilantro to my cabbage salad. What'd you say? She's doing what? Okay, this is, I feel like these, I really want these to be, I know, to be a little like more malleable. I feel like they're just gonna break. Here, guys. For dinner tonight, we're gonna do tacos. Really simple. The quickest kind of to whip up. This taco seasoning, spice, juicy stuff was really good. You just pour it in and it makes the meat so yummy. Gus ended up having 2 friends over like unexpectedly. It just kind of happened last minute, so I'm gonna feed them too. We'll see what they eat. We have cheese, some lettuce. Okay, meat, cheese, and tomatoes. I hope they eat this. You like know what your kid eats, but then you don't know other kids what their preferences are. You take this guy, hold it, wrap it, and hold it like that. So then it's like wrapping it up.
Breakfast first.
I'm gonna put cheese on top. Does this look like something you would eat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, taco.
We're going to the beach and we're here at Whole Foods gonna grab some pizza. Yeah, that's another beach. Just me, Bloom, and Gus. Griffin has a baseball game. So we're just gonna grab some slices and I packed some snacks and that's our dinner. Ready? I'm gonna go like this. 1, then I'm gonna flip it so we don't have to carry a huge box of pizza. You know what I mean? Like that.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, that's 1. Gus literally could not wait. He's like, can I have a slice now? So before we even get to the beach, we're chowing down. We made it. We are here. Let's go. All right, what do we have for snack? Gus, which drink do you want? Do you want lemon lime or orange mango and lime? Can I have a sip too? fish pizza too. Uh-oh. You want to take off your shoes? Boom. She's working so hard. No. She carried this all the way to the car. Good job, Bloom.